A pre-owned 2013 Lexus GS 350. 2013 Lexus GS 350. Refined power, timeless luxury. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet the 2013 Lexus GS 350 in liquid platinum with black leather, a refined sedan with a confident edge. Powered by a 3.5L V6 producing 306 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, it delivers smooth acceleration and composed performance whether you're commuting or cruising. Inside, enjoy premium leather seating, power front seats with driver memory, dual-zone climate control, smart access keyless entry with push-button start, Bluetooth audio and calling, USB/iPod connectivity, steering wheel controls, rear-view camera, automatic headlights, power moonroof, alloy wheels, and available premium audio. Paddle shifters add a sporty touch when you want it. Safety includes multiple airbags, ABS, stability and traction control, brake assist, and TPMS. Clean Carfax, under 82K miles, under 6K per year. Rated 19 city/26 highway MPG. Excellent condition, smart mileage, and classic Lexus comfort, ready for its next chapter. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.